My name's Charlie. I'm a self-employed tennis coach, but obviously I'm looking to get into property.
And that brings us to here. So what have you been doing this week?
So this week we're going over HMOs and we're just going on to service accommodation as well, all doing it rent to rent. We've literally just had a lunch break where we're talking about calling people up, so I've managed to get 2 viewings. So
You just went around people when you were able to get viewings?
yes, yeah, exactly. Yeah, just talking to them about what we're doing and how we work. And Samuel went through a little bit of training there on how to say and the objections that come up when doing that.
And what's the energy in the room been like?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I think he's really good at interacting with the crowd. He's always asking them questions. People are back and forth the whole time, so it's a good environment to be in.
And would you recommend this environment?
100%. I think it's in a way a necessity. Especially if you're new to property, if you haven't got much experience, you may get a bit nervous. We've just had to team up in partners and call people back and forth. So if you're at home and you're a bit nervous, then it's you might not be doing that. So no, it's a great experience. Yeah, I've just signed up for the academy last week as well. So yeah.